Don't tell anyone I'm doing this, but in today's video, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what GoHighLevel looks like after you sign up. If you're a business owner and have any type of business that you run online and you don't have a CRM or you're spending too much on a CRM, check out this video. I'm gonna break down why we switched from HubSpot paying over $800 a month to GoHighLevel. I'm gonna give you that sneak peek so you can see what it looks like before you actually sign up. I'm gonna give you the pricing, all the different features that I recommend, and even a cheat sheet where we will import all of our templates to give you a head start. And if you stick with me to the end, I'm gonna give you a discount so you can get signed up and start using this for yourself. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. Not gonna bore you with that. You can always learn more about that here. I'm gonna share my screen and show you exactly what GoHighLevel looks like once you get signed up. And if you want us to import our automation system and our complete template for you, all I ask is that you sign up for GoHighLevel with my affiliate link in the description below. Let me know that you signed up on our contact form on our website, and someone from my team will go and import that whole template, get you set up quickly, and help you automate your business faster. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive in. So this is what it's gonna look like when you first sign up. Now, obviously you won't have these numbers here, but this is what it looks like once you start adding contacts, once you start adding deals and different sections in your GoHighLevel account. Now, what we're going to cover today is everything from contacts to calendars to conversations to the dashboard, opportunities, payments, marketing, automation, sites, forms, quizzes, even reputation management, and making sure that you have all your reporting and all the systems in place. I'm even going to show you what's inside that app marketplace because it's got some really cool things to help you automate your business. Now, if you have a business and you're a business owner, comment system down below so somebody from my team can send you my full 10-step automation checklist. That way you can get up and going and automate everything from following up with leads to booking appointments to closing more deals. All right, so step number one is let's take a look at the contacts here. This is always a great place to start. This is usually where I first go when I log into my CRM. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go click on this fake contact here, and I'm gonna see everything about him. I'm gonna see where he came from. Did he come from ads? Did he come from CPC, Facebook, Google, SEO, or even a custom UTM? I'm gonna see all the pages of the website he was on. I'm gonna see all of our previous communication, from emails to even text messages, and then all the details he's filled out on the website, including if he's booked calls, what automations he's in, the different tags that we've labeled him, and even where he's at in the opportunity pipeline. Once you're in this contact, GoHighLevel allows you to do really cool things like see the activity, see the task, see notes that you've taken on the person, appointments, even documents if they've signed any documents, all the way to payments if they've made any payments for you. Now, it's really easy to add new contacts. You can filter them out. You can have different filters like commercial or residential. You can also search and find your contacts using all the different filters here on the right side, and you'll see that they really have unlimited filters that you can use. Even some cool things like source, where the lead came from, to even what pages of the website they visited. From there, you can really narrow this down and find either a list of all your ideal prospects, or you can filter them to do different actions like sending emails, adding tags, updating opportunities, to even manually adding them to different automations. The next thing I want to show you is opportunities. This is where new leads come into your account, and they can automatically or manually be moved from deal pipeline to deal pipeline. You can have unlimited pipelines up here at the top, and it's easy to customize. You can add different opportunities or remove them here. So as you can see, if I go into pipelines, you're gonna see that I have two. I'm gonna click on sales, and these are all the different columns that I've set up to be able to navigate my new leads that come in. You can easily move them back and forth and create as many different opportunity pipelines as you want. From there, you can set up different automations to move them up or down the funnel based on where that customer is. I really love the opportunity pipeline because I see a lot of business owners missing out on this. Next, you can go into conversations, and what this will do is pull all the conversations by a two-way sync from your Gmail or your Outlook email. So if you're emailing or communicating with clients back and forth, that will automatically come in here. Same thing goes with SMS. If you're communicating with text or calls, the communication will go through here as well. Not only that is if you sync your Facebook, Instagram, or any other messenger accounts, you can go ahead and pull those DMs. So if somebody sends you a DM on Instagram or a DM on Facebook, that will come in here and you can do a two-way sync message back and forth. That leads me into the next one, is the social media planner. If you're spending money on other social media scheduler tools out there, I would want you to consider this, where you can add all of your different social media accounts. You can schedule them out, you can plan them, and you can create different types of calendars there. You can also be able to see all the content that you've posted, you've scheduled, or that you've put in it for reviews, and then go check the stats based on open clicks and how many people have followed or taken an action on that social media. The same thing goes for emails. You can set up as many and unlimited email campaigns as you want and create templates in here. Once you send out your campaigns like newsletters, you'll be able to come back, filter by date, see how many clicks, views, and all the actions they took from that. You can then go into your templates, create unlimited templates for yourself to save you time in the future to send out and automate more emails. From there, they have the really cool thing where you can choose from different marketing templates that they've already created. This gives you a head start in creating a template for yourself. Once you choose your template, you'll see that it's really easy to go make changes, add images, update text, and makes it much easier for you to go out and send those email campaigns. They also have all these other features that you can use for your business under the marketing tab. You're going to see snippets, countdown timers, trigger links that will trigger different things based on automation to even an affiliate manager if you want to be an affiliate, brand boards, and ad manager. You can sync with your Facebook ads and be able to manage them all from here. The next thing I want to show you is this is what will actually import into your account are the automation templates, where we can get you set up where you send automated emails, automatic follow-ups, and really automate anything in your business. So we'll go into advanced automations and you'll see that we have a basic automation set up here. From here, if anyone schedules with you or fills out the calendar appointment, we're going to set up different follow-up techniques to make sure that they show up, they get called, and they get followed up to make sure they show up for your call. One of my favorites is an automation when a new lead comes into your website. A lot of business owners miss this feature. So what we do is we create a system note, we update the opportunity, and we send a series of follow-up emails to remind them to take an action, like schedule a call or come back to your website. Now I'm going to create another video breaking down all the different automations and how to set them up. You can always check out the playlist at the end of this video to see more how we set up the automations, but that's the basic overview so you can see how you can automate all the follow-up techniques after a new lead comes into your business. Another problem we had was we had missing links between our Calendly and scheduled calls and our CRM and email marketing. So what I really like about this GoHighLevel feature is they allow you to create a custom calendar just like you would with Calendly. So now you can save time and know all the leads are in one place. Here's an example, book a consultation. And what you can see is that they offer unlimited possibilities with adding your logo, names, and even choosing your availability and setting all the different availability settings to make sure you don't double book. From there, it makes it easy for you to set up automated reminders, notifications to make sure no one ever forgets to show up, and allow them to cancel, reschedule, and make sure you see that person's schedule. It automatically syncs with your Google and Outlook calendars, and you can really play around with any of the settings. This provides you a simple link you can add into your email signature, directly send to people, or you can even embed it in your website to make it look all on brand. From there, it will sync with your other calendars, so you can go ahead and search for those, and you can manage all of your calendars here in one place. From there, you can even take over your whole website, landing pages, or lead magnets and add them into GoHighLevel to keep everything in one place, save time, and also make it easy to add your automations. You can set up different sales funnels like you would in something like ClickFunnels. You can even set up your website in here and create unlimited pages with all the information just like a basic website editor. You can add a store to sell e-commerce products. You can even have webinars, check all your analytics, and add a blog section. If your website's already on WordPress, you can sync it with their WordPress plugin to keep all those leads going back and forth. If you want to create a membership and client portal, you can add that to your website as well to make it easy for people to sign up for things, log in, and get access. From there, that's where the fun stuff comes in. You can create these forms, and these forms you can go ahead and embed directly in your website. And you can see that I'm going to have mine right here. On our website, when you click start here to get that full system that our team will send you, this is actually an embedded GoHighLevel form. And all you have to do is once you fill that out, the person will automatically get pushed into the GoHighLevel so you can follow up with them. From there, they also offer things like surveys where based on their questions and their answers, you can have them do different automations from there, and you can easily go and customize and edit that. Once you're there, you can set up either a one-pager or multiple pages to have them go down the quiz pipeline, and you can easily add the normal fields, or you can create custom fields like multiple choice and drop downs. From there, you can set up the quizzes. A lot of businesses and owners that I work with set up quizzes to pre or qualify people when they come in. Sometimes you only want to work with certain people based on their answers. You can go into the quiz and set this up. Last but not least, under sites is you can set up a live chat to use either AI or manually follow up with leads. Now, GoHighLevel has a great app that you can download on your phone, and you can be able to do live chats from there, email, call, text, and manage all of your leads in one place. From there, you can even set up things like QR codes, but as you can see, the opportunities are endless once you get signed in. From there, they have a full membership suite, and we actually just created and took all of our members over from school into here to keep it in one place. And you can get our entire GoHighLevel course, our entire Twitter course, and YouTube course all in the membership area. It allows people to pay, join, sign in, sign up, and get access directly. I'll show you what ours looks like here. All right, now you can see how cool the memberships are. Here's our X ads course, and you can see you can easily structure your course, your membership to different sections, and you can fully customize this to make it easy for your clients and customers to learn from you. From there, you can even set up communities, certificates, and even a global marketplace to sell more of your memberships. From there, the next thing I want to show you is the reputation. From here, you can connect this with your Google account or really any other review networks. And you can see we collect reviews here, and it automatically sends through the automation or AI, or you can even manually send a review request to any of the contacts by email, text, or WhatsApp. From there, you can scroll down and see all your reviews, and they'll publish back onto your Google My Business or any other review software. You can go ahead and grab widgets, listings, and really add this review section anywhere on your website, or send the links out to anyone you want. All right, the next cool thing I want to show you is reporting. The reporting area automatically will connect with your Google ads. So if you're running any Google ads, it'll show you the full summary here. Also Facebook ads, so it connects and shows you the visitors, impressions, leads, and even how many conversions. You can set up attribution reporting to see how many leads you've got, all the opportunities, and exactly where they came from, and what pages of the website. You can sync up call reporting and even see the overview of all the appointments booked. This is a really good way to see where your leads come from and the actions they take after they come into your CRM. A feature a lot of people don't know GoHighLevel includes are different things like invoice and estimates. You can set up documents and contracts to replace your DocuSign. You can set up different orders, abandoned carts, and even subscriptions to send out to clients. Set up payment links to send individually, or you can embed these in your websites, set up different products, coupons, and integrate with all kinds of different payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and Square. From there, they have an app marketplace that they continue to add awesome features to. You can scroll through here and see all the different types of apps you can automatically include into your GoHighLevel, like phone support, map listings, and different apps to help benefit your business. Additionally, it will integrate with Zapier and any other APIs to help you sync any other software that you use. Download the mobile app and you can easily access your leads there and take all these actions directly from the app. All right, so I hope this got you excited to either set up your CRM for the first time or to switch CRMs to save you time and money and also get you better results from your clients. Next, I'm going to show you the pricing structure and which one I recommend for you. So if you go to GoHighLevel, and I want to encourage you to please use my affiliate link right down below in the description so we can import all of these automations for you. You're going to see there's two plans. For me, I'm good on the $97 a month plan, unlimited contacts. Now, usually if you use an email marketing software like MailChimp or MailerLite, they're going to charge you more per your contacts. If you use a different thing like ActiveCampaign or HubSpot, they're going to charge you more for more users and different automations. What is included with the $97 a month is unlimited users, unlimited contacts, and all of the things I showed you today. Now, if you're starting an agency business or you want to have other accounts under yours, you can always upgrade to the unlimited $297 a month plan. And this is a great plan for you to manage unlimited users under your account so you can help them grow on GoHighLevel. Additionally, if you do sign up for GoHighLevel, you can even be your own affiliate for them. If you think you have a lot of people that will want to use them, I would refer them over. They give a great affiliate percentage of 40%. So I hope this video brought you a ton of value. And if it did, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about marketing and automation, you can check out the playlist here. But I hope that this helped you. And if you need any help setting this up, leave me a comment down below. My team will happily install our full template in for you. So it gives you a quick start, like a head start to get going with your CRM. And if you have any questions, reach out. We'll be more than happy to help. I hope to see you on the next video.